So over here, you can always open up TeamViewer and have access to your devices right here. But if you want a quick access that you can access anytime you're using your Windows computer, then you can actually go around over here onto the gear settings and then go around over here onto general. So over here, you can see that TeamViewer Device Dock is an option. So if I were to go around over here and click, then over here on the left hand side, you can actually see the TeamViewer right here. So you can see that even if TeamViewer is not opened up, you will be able to see it. So you can see that it is a dock right here. Click on it and you will be able to see the computers that you have access to right here. You can even see like you get option to transfer files from over here or access the TeamViewer password as well. If I were to click on the three dot button, you can change the view as well. So you can go ahead and enable and disable the group view. You can enable and disable the status. You can close the group altogether if you want as well, just like that. But you can actually go ahead and open it up again and simply enable it back right here to have access to the dock again. So you can see that you can show offline information and online information right here. You can go ahead and search out for devices right here as you want as well, and even add in the IDs so that you can start connecting right from over here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and let's just start typing an ID that I have. So I'm just going to go around over here and I'm going to say 1780 169 and it's 559 right here. So you can see that I can go ahead and then you can see the TeamViewer ID. You can go ahead and then click on it right here in order to go ahead and connect it. And then from over here, you can see that it's authentication. It'll ask for the password. So simply go ahead and type that in. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in mine right here. So let's just go around over here, just like this. And then after that is done, you can go ahead and click on log on. And then what happens is that this is what you have. So this is how you can go ahead and then work around with the device name and the startup settings in TeamViewer. So that is how you can go ahead and then actually work around with the TeamViewer device dock so that you always have access to it in your desktop. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.